Adopt a School is a program that teams up a local school with a community partner. Schools all over Tuscaloosa are looking for organizations to partner with. Yvonne Massey from Geological Survey of Alabama and Julie Odom from Southview Middle School are here to tell us about their partnership. Thanks for being with us today.
Thank you.
So tell us how Geological Survey of Alabama teams up with Southview Middle School.
Well, the Geological Survey of Alabama is an agency of the state, and we found this opportunity to work with Southview Middle School, and what our purpose is to provide exposure for the young people to have an opportunity to see what scientists actually do. The majority of our scientists are geologists. We have some biologists and chemists as well. So it's a real treat for the students to understand how you make a living being a chemist, being a biologist, as well as a geologist.
And talk about some of the activities that the kids in Geological Survey of Alabama have done together.
We've done quite a few different activities. They've come to our Read Across America. They send people to help us there. We've had career fairs. We do a job shadowing, which I'll let Ms. Massey discuss a little more in depth in a moment. And they also help us adopt a needy family at the holiday times. For the past 2 years, they've helped donate with the students and teachers to come together as a community and help a less fortunate family. And they've donated supplies to the teachers and students, and they're very visible. The students know who they are. They come, and Miss Massey's own granddaughter is one of our students. So, so it's a great partnership. They've really helped us out a lot.
Well, tell us about the Job Shadowing Day.
That was a very exciting time for the students as well as our staff. Students had an opportunity to, first of all, complete an application, and we did interviews. Mrs. Howard, along with myself, and we're the individuals who work in the personnel office at the Geological Survey. We went to the school and interviewed the students to simulate what they actually would have to go through when looking for a real job. And from there, they had an opportunity to come to the survey and work with various staff. They did such things as working in our accounting department with the accountants, in our personnel office, completing personnel files to find out what goes into files, how the information is kept confidential, as well as work with our biologist staff. We have staff who go out into the field and collect fish. We have an extensive fish collection. It's one of the more renowned one in the South, and they got an opportunity to see how the staff make a living going fishing, doing something they enjoy. Also had an opportunity to work with the chemist in our chemical lab. When our staff go out, there are some who collect water samples, and they bring them back to the lab so they can be analyzed to determine what chemicals are in the water to find out if it's polluted or not. And that helps us in terms of knowing the available water sources that we have in the state, because water is very important, and there are studies being conducted to make sure that we have enough water supply for the years to come. And they worked in some other areas, and then of course the fun part was lunch. We had an opportunity to have lunch with each other, as well as they had an opportunity to talk about what they had done, because that's what we do in the real world. We have lunch with our co-workers and talk about some of our jobs.
Very exciting. Sounds like I need to come for career day and shadow y'all. Well, we appreciate you being here with us today.
Good.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for having us.
And you can find out more about Adopt a School by calling 205-391-0563, or you can find them online at TuscaloosaChamber.com.